Welcome back, everyone. This is just a quick update video for everybody who ordered seeds from me over the past couple weeks. Just want to let y'all know that all orders up through Friday, January 25th have now been shipped. They went out in a couple different batches, so you should all be seeing those sometime next week. Once again, just want to thank you all for your patronage, for supporting the channel. I'm excited that you guys are going to get these seeds in hand and hopefully grow them in your garden this upcoming season. I do love hearing from you guys and the results that you're getting. So far, I've been getting a lot of positive feedback. That's great to hear. And for everyone who has not yet purchased some of these seeds, I still do have a few varieties available. I've got some Dino Tree Kale, Merit Collard seeds, and some Calabash Gourd seeds still available. I will drop links below this video if you're interested. And this may be one of the last times I offer these seeds for quite some time. So if you are interested, now would be the time. So with that, just want to wish everybody a great rest of your day. Also, I wanted to mention there were a few of you who I sent refunds to. If you ordered from outside the United States, unfortunately right now I'm only able to send to folks located in the mainland US. Do apologize. Maybe we'll be able to work something out in the future, but for now that's the way it goes. But I do want to thank you all for your patronage as well, and for trying to support the channel, and for your interest in these seeds. I'm going to be busy most of the day moving that pile of wood chips. I'm also going to be planting a couple new fruit trees in the food forest. So I'll probably pick up the camera and record some of that. Hopefully share it with you later this evening or tomorrow. So with that, have a great rest of your weekend. I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.